Welcome to the Deep Dive.
Great to be here.
Today we're taking a bit of a virtual walk through Innsbruck.
Focusing on its churches, right. Using a walking tour guide as our source.
Exactly. The idea is to sort of pull out the highlights, the stories, the maybe surprising bits from these places.
Giving you a quick, rich sense of Innsbruck's spiritual and architectural side without needing days to explore.
Yeah. We know Innsbruck for the Alps, the lovely old town. But this collection of churches adds, well, a whole other dimension.
Definitely. It's a unique way to see how the city evolved culturally and historically.
So think of this as a kind of mini pilgrimage. We're starting, notionally anyway, from Hotel Sailor.
Making it accessible, focusing on discovery.
First stop is one that's easy to miss, actually. The Spitalskirche is some Heiligen Geist.
Right on Maria Theresienstrasse, amidst all the shops and cafes.
It's small, isn't it?
It is, but that's what's interesting. It holds this significant atmosphere despite the bustle outside.
A hidden gem, almost.
Yeah, precisely. It makes you wonder, what other quiet histories are hiding in plain sight.
Good point. Okay, so from that intimate spot, we head into the old town proper, to the Cathedral of St. James.
Tomzu St. Jacob. And this is a total contrast. Grandeur is the word.
Majestic architecture, you said. And the ceiling fresco.
Oh, it's breathtaking. Really draws your eye up. But the key artwork, for me anyway, is Maria Hilf.
By Lucas Cranach the Elder.
That's the one. Painted during a plague outbreak, apparently. It became this huge symbol of, hope and devotion. A real masterpiece.
You can almost feel the weight of that history.
Absolutely.
Okay, next, shifting to imperial power. The court church.
Hofkirche. Or the Schwarzmander, the Black Men Church.
Because of the statues.
Exactly. 28 larger-than-life bronze figures. They're guarding Emperor Maximilian I's tomb.
Which is empty, right.
Which is empty. But the statues themselves, ancestors, heroes, they make such a statement about power, lineage.
Wow. So it's full of legends, that kind of feeling.
Very much so. There's a real silence there that sort of amplifies the presence of these figures. History feels very present.
Okay, moving slightly away from the old town now to the Wilten Basilica. Different style here.
Completely different. This is Rococo. Think. Lighter, more ornate, almost playful compared to Baroque.
Like lots of curves and gold.
Intricate details, pastel colors. Definitely a sense of movement. It's particularly lovely in the sunlight, a local favorite.
A real visual treat, then.
A gem, architecturally speaking.
And very close by is Wilten Abbey, Stift Wilten.
Just a short walk. Inside, you get these incredible, intricate altars and more sacred art, but within a Baroque setting again.
But the feeling is different from the basilica.
Yeah, I'd say so. There's a deep sense of peace inside the abbey. Centuries of quiet contemplation, More intimate, maybe.
Interesting. Okay, final stop brings us back towards the center. The Jesuit Church.
Right. And this one stands out for its simplicity.
After all the Rococo and Baroque.
Exactly. Clean lines, elegant, a different kind of beauty.
And something about the acoustics.
Yes. Under the dome. Apparently, there's a potential for this amazing echo, designed for sound as well as sight.
Huh, like a heavenly echo?
Potentially. Adds another layer to the experience.
So this whole walk, this exploration, it takes about 2 hours.
Roughly, yeah. It's amazing how much inspiration, architecture, and, quiet reflection you can pack into that time.
You really cover a lot of ground, stylistically and historically.
Definitely. When you look at the tiny Spitalskirche, the Imperial Hofkirche, the Rococo Basilica, the Jesuit Church's simplicity, it tells such a rich story.
A story of Innsbruck's faith, its art, its history.
All layered together.
It does make you think differently about just walking around a city, doesn't it?
Yeah.
How much is hidden in these buildings?
Absolutely. Hopefully this deep dive gives you a starting point, sparks some curiosity.
A taste of the treasures, maybe?
Exactly. And maybe a final thought to leave you with. How does seeing such different expressions of faith and power side by side in one city change how you think about its identity? Or even about why we build such places at all?
Something to ponder on your own explorations.